beautiful day in Leyte. It's really hot as always, and we're here in Maasin right now. I have a funny story to tell you guys. And I don't know, I was just really crazy. There was last week I was really looking for my card, and I was looking all over the house, and I really couldn't find it. I looked all over my bags and I just couldn't find it. So I went to the all dirty clothes to see if maybe I left my card inside my pocket, but unfortunately I just couldn't find it. It was really crazy. And when Lucy was doing the laundry, she told me that she found my card. But unfortunately guys, I already reported my card as missing, and I already asked someone who's staff in BPI to lock my card because I just couldn't find it. And then the next day Lucy found it inside the pocket of my pants. How crazy is that? Now I had to wait for like 2 weeks to get my card back. Anyway guys, we're here in Maasin right now because Tim asked me to send him some stuff, which is a, what do you call it, something like this for his surfboard. He needs it for his surfboard. Yeah, this also preparing for the papers. And guys, finally we now own a property in Samar. We paid off, we now own it, and I just need to sign it and we're going to own it na. Anyway, we're going to eat since we haven't eaten yet. It's already 12:06 and now we're going to head to Metro to eat there. See you there. Whenever we go there and buy some stuff, our minimum spend is like 6,000 to 8,000. And the stuff that I got earlier was some detergent for the house and some paper towels and food for the month. Anyway guys, we're here at the, where are we? BIR
Park.
Yeah, to the park, and I'm going to show you guys that they're working on the road right now. If you can see right there, it's all just water, but surrounded with water. I'm not quite sure what they're going to do with that. They're probably going to make something like
A road.
Yeah, a road for, what they call it, like a bee walk guys, like a bee walk. We are now heading home guys. I already sent the item to Tim, and now we're heading home.
We're riding a trike.
Yeah, we're riding a trike, of course. I rented my cousin's trike, so we're heading home now. So thank you for watching this video till the very end. Always remember that you are always responsible for the action that you make. Always take care, and God bless, and always pray. See you to my next vlog, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Hello guys, it's beautiful day in Leyte as always. It's a new day, but this is not a new vlog. This is just only a continuation for my vlog yesterday. Um, I am with Joseph today and Hannah and of course my son Dale. Hannah is the one holding Dale right now and my cousin Joseph. Oh my God, wait. Anyway, my cousin Joseph is the one who's holding Maximus. We have Maximus with us. He's going to serve as our guard dog. There you go, Dale. Bibi Labs, are you happy? Yes? Oh my God, he said he's not happy. No, 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 no. Baby! No, no? Why no, no? Love. Hey. Wow, Hannah, you're so sexy. Hi. Hannah is so sexy today. She said that she wanted to wear that outfit because it's too hot.
6 months pa ni, wa pa nito eh.
So this is my dog, Maximus.
6 months pa nito, wa pa nito eh. Ganun ako ano. Wala ko pa ni.
Anyway, we're heading to Anas. See you there. So guys, I'm carrying Dale and he is just so heavy. He's so heavy. I want to put him down, but he doesn't want me to. Look, look. No? No?
No?
No? He doesn't want. He just want me to carry him. Look, guys. It's just like a tarsher. Anyway, I can carry him. So guys, finally, Dale decided to just walk. After we gave him some water, he decided to walk. He was just thirsty. Mag-walk ka dali. Oh. Oh my God, you're tired?
Oy, look at you, oh.
Cellphone hawak na.
You're tired?
Here.
Okay, you should rest if you're tired.
Mom's taking a picture of little Dolly.
I'm going to send this to your daddy.
Little Dolly, are you tired? Stand up. Oh. Maximus is blocking the frame.
Come here. You wanna eat? You want a nam-nam? Come here.
Oh, yay!
Mimi?
Mimi?
Why you want to eat?
The thing that can console Dale, it's always food.
You want to have this?
If
Oh,
he's
he's
not in
happy
the
now.
mood and you're going to give him water, then he's going to be really happy. He wants me to
Yeah.
open it.
Half ra kay makuan ta.
Dale is really talkative now.
Yeah, compared before, of course.
Give me this.
There's an improvement, guys.
No.
Dale is really
Behold, ha?
talkative.
Hoy, may Maximus ha, Maximus.
Uy, kalaog ni Maximus. Maximus tried to eat Dale's food.
Hoy, di kay chocolate.
No, that's not good, Maximus, ha? Very, very bad dog.
Very bad. Don't.
Guys, we're not quite sure where are we heading. Where are we heading, guys?
Anywhere, you're just walking.
Anywhere. We're finally here, guys. We're sitting for now because we're just out of breath. Anyway, this is our new favorite spot as well as Dale's favorite spot. We're thinking of
What do you mean no?
sorry. We're thinking of coming here again next time and do a picnic with GB and of course with my family. We'll try to see if they can be able to come with us. Anyway, I love tying Dale's hair. I'm thinking of just make it long. Wait sa baby loves.
Dale is really active.
Behave, Dale.
I'm just thinking of making his hair long so I can just tie it. What you said?
Dale is really talkative.
Oh yeah, he is.
Dale.
Maybe some viewers would like to see
behave,
a
Dale.
day with Dale.
Yeah, next time guys, we're going to do that. We're going to film a video just Dale. I know, not just Dale, of course. We're going to be there too.
I think it's like how Dale spends his day.
Okay.
It's like that video.
Oh my god, he's just always ruining our room, guys. Our room is just really messy because Dale would just climb and then threw stuff away. It's because he's already in stage where he's just really active and he's just really talkative and he just says words that I don't even understand.
Example, just say a word, Dale.
Where are you
Boy,
going?
baby,
Come
he
here.
wants to drink water.
Down here.
Wala ka na gyapil like ka
Oh, sige. Kaya batik. No.
Are you thirsty, Dale? Go back to mama.
Oh, wait, ma-water sa kanya. Go back to your mommy, ka.
Come, baby loves.
Go back to mommy. Very good. Oh. Thank you.
Are you done? Are you not thirsty anymore? Guys, I'm going to this is not the, what do you call it, Joseph? This is really not Anas.
Oh, yeah.
But this is part of Anas. We're on the lower part. We decided not to go up there because we just go there like all the time, so we decided to explore this part, the lower area. I'm going to show you the view.
Anas is right there.
Yes.
Here, right there. This is not Anas. The place that we always go to is that place. But here, it's another place. But it's the same view. And here, they have a house here.
The
And
view
Anas
here is
have,
even better.
yeah. And the view is very superb.
Nay?
You're okay, you're good. Good to titahan.
Come here.
Or you want to be in my vlog? Dale is just done exploring the field. I was following him the entire time anyway. Huh? Oh, sorry. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this vlog till the very end. And always remember that you are responsible to all action that you make in your life. Always pray and take care and God bless.
Bye.
Bye, Dale. Bye. No, right there. It's right
Right
there.
here. Right the camera. Bye.
Bye.
Dale, in the camera. Stop.
What do you mean stop?
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, Dale.
Bye, baby.
Uy, dali.
Bye na.
Bye.
Thank you for watching this
Uy.
video till the very end, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and see you.